Steve Phillips, Swan Financial. Steve, Wally has been qualified for an FHA loan. His agent says that he will limit the type of home he can buy by using an FHA loan. In this email, he says specifically, while Raleigh writes in that he wanted to buy a fixer-upper, but his agent says an FHA loan won't allow it. So he's wondering, what are some of the more common things FHA won't allow when it comes to buying a home?
Yeah. So FHA, VA government loans, rural housing, they all have what they're looking out for your health and safety of the buyers. So they do have some requirements that conventional loans don't. Primarily what I've seen that has gotten issues on appraisals, the three top ones at least. The number three is handrails. If there's no handrails on a porch that has 3 steps or going to a basement or a second floor, we need handrails on steps and stairs. So that's the third thing. The second thing is cracked windows. They want to make sure that the windows are safe and usable, and there's not going to be a concern of somebody cutting themselves, perhaps. So they don't like cracked windows. The number one thing, though, is peeling paint, especially if the home is built before 1976. There's going to be lead-based paint issues and concerns. So children that was a concern, eating those chip paints or paint chips and having issues with their development. So primarily the peeling paint is the main thing, which all three of those things make doing fixer-uppers hard for FHA financing, because generally those are, especially the paint aspect, things that fixer-uppers are going to need to be fixed.
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right. Those are key elements. We wish you the best, and FHA may not be the correct way to go, but even in conventional loans, won't inspectors pick up on the handrail issue on 3 steps or more? I think they'll write that up.
Yeah, I mean, there are still certain, but the peeling paint, cracked windows, some of the appliances not being there, they are not as messy or as hard on, I should say.
Yeah, okay, but they'll suggest that they be added, but not necessarily have to be using a conventional loan.